In this video, we'll explore some amazing small living room design ideas that will give your space a modern and contemporary look. If you have a small living room, you know how challenging it can be to make it feel stylish and functional without sacrificing on comfort. That's where expert design tips come in. From smart furniture placement to creative lighting solutions, we'll show you how to make the most of your space without cluttering it up. Our ideas are perfect for those who love a sleek and minimalist aesthetic, with plenty of tips to make your small living room feel more spacious and airy. So, if you're ready to give your living room a modern makeover, tune in and let us guide you through the process.